Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best tools for pet owners looking for both convenience and safety during dog walks. The 26-foot retractable dog leash with long handle by MK. If you've been searching for the best retractable dog leash with an ergonomic long handle, this is the one you've been waiting for. Let's start with what immediately stands out: the leash's impressive 26-foot length. That's over 8 meters of roaming space for your furry companion, enough to give your dog a sense of freedom while you still maintain control. Whether you're walking through a park or strolling your neighborhood, this leash ensures your dog can explore comfortably without running out of line too quickly. Now, the handle. It's not just any handle, it's an anti-slip, rubberized, ergonomic grip that's specifically designed for long walks. If you've ever dealt with discomfort or hand strain during extended use, you'll appreciate how this leash practically molds into your palm. The rubberized coating ensures you won't lose grip even in rainy conditions or when your dog suddenly pulls. Speaking of control, this leash includes a one-handed braking and locking mechanism. A simple push locks the leash in place, and a light flick reels it back in. What's really intuitive is the way the button remains locked when under tension, ensuring your dog doesn't bolt away even if you're momentarily distracted. Unlocking it is just as easy. Pull your dog back gently or push the leash forward, and you're good to go. Durability is another core feature. The strap is made of professional-grade nylon, thick, strong, and built for heavy-duty use. MK specifically designed this leash for medium to large dogs, supporting pets up to 110 pounds. Whether it's a spirited Labrador or a powerful German Shepherd, this leash is more than capable of handling the challenge. Another great detail is the tangle-free 360-degree tape movement. It allows your dog to switch sides or circle around without you worrying about the leash twisting or jamming. That alone saves you time and frustration, especially during busy or high-energy walks. While the product delivers a lot, MK also provides clear guidelines for maintaining it. They caution against letting dogs chew on the strap, since even a small dog can damage it with bite marks, and recommend avoiding pulling the rope out to the very end to preserve the internal spring mechanism. If you treat it with care, this leash is built to last through countless walks. Dog owners who prioritize control, comfort, and strength in one sleek product. It's ideal for active dogs who love exploring, as well as pet parents who want the peace of mind that comes with quality construction. That wraps up our look at the MK 26-foot retractable dog leash. It's long, strong, easy to handle, and made to meet the needs of both you and your dog. If you're ready to upgrade your walking experience, this leash is a top contender. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on insights into the products that make life easier and better. See you in the next one.